What years are they?
Black one's 66 and the green one's 63.
How much are they?
Well, I'm thinking the green one would probably be $5,000, and the black one, since it's a little bit more rare, that one I'd probably let it go for 8.
5 and 8.
Yeah.
And you said they're.
I had them set online last year for a lot more.
Yeah.
And now we're at the point where I'd rather somebody enjoy them instead of sitting here.
Right.
I mean, the black one runs and drives. It's good for issues with the fenders.
Yeah.
And then the green one pretty much just needs a fuel system cleaning and spark plugs, and from there it'll run and drive.
Nice.
I got too many projects.
It's a Lando. Ah.